اسمع صوت
Saudi Arabia suffered severe thunderstorms and strong easterly winds on Tuesday, August 22nd, causing widespread damage across the country. The cities of Makkah and Jeddah, as well as several other areas, bore the brunt of stormy weather. Dramatic videos of the massive storm have been shared on social media platforms, showing winds so strong that they could knock down heavy plastic fences. The movement of Umrah pilgrims, who are present in the Great Mosque of Mecca, is also threatened by similar gusts of wind. Videos showed the severity of the storm, documenting the collapse of power poles amid torrential rains and a storm on Asfan Road, northeast of Jeddah. In some video clips, electricity poles are seen on the road, showing images of unstable weather. Earlier reports suggested that Jeddah was covered in a dust storm as dense clouds of dust filled the sky. Unusual storm in Makkah, Saudi Arabia. A heavy rain in Saudi Arabia knocked over a giant billboard a few feet away from a car. On Tuesday morning, August 22nd, Saudi Arabia's National Meteorological Center issued a warning detailing the country's current weather conditions for the next 24 hours. Weather experts have predicted thunderstorms as well as strong winds for areas such as Medina, Mecca, Asir, Jazan, and Al-Baha. During this time, the Tabuk and Najran areas are likely to experience dust-carrying surface winds. Rafah, Hafr al-Batin, and Al-Saman reported a high of 47 degrees Celsius, while Al-Suda recorded a low of 14 degrees Celsius, where humidity reached 95%. Renowned meteorologist Abdullah Al-Osaimi said such weather patterns herald the start of autumn in October. Mecca authorities ordered schools to close on Wednesday after heavy rain hit parts of Saudi Arabia, with videos shared on social media showing pilgrims taking shelter after a storm. Severe thunderstorms overnight. Heavy rain fell on Tuesday evening, accompanied by thunderstorms in separate areas of the Makkah al-Mukarramah neighborhood, the Saudi press agency reported. Education officials said schools would be closed on Wednesday due to unstable weather. The National Weather Service said it forecast moderate to severe thunderstorms will continue to lead to torrential rain, accompanied by hail and strong winds that throw dust and sand, limiting horizontal visibility in areas of the country. Area of Jazan, Asir, Al-Baha, area of Mecca and Medina. Videos shared on social media showed pilgrims trying to circumnavigate the Kaaba at the Grand Mosque amid high winds, some having to dodge barriers that had been blown away. A widely shared video captures lightning striking the famous clock tower overlooking the Kaaba. Other videos show heavy flooding caused by rain in Jeddah, south of Makkah. Activists on social media have released videos showing heavy rains in Makkah al-Mukarramah, on the evening of Monday, August 21st, 2023, and they disrupted road traffic and the National Meteorological Center.
شوف السيارات.
Experts say weather radar images show heavy rain accompanied by dangerous hail, fast-flowing water on the peak of the Makkah al-Mukarramah region. Meteorology indicates that the situation is getting worse, especially between Taif province and the holy capital. She explained that the situation is expected to continue in and around the holy capital for the next few hours. The video clips also recorded rain accompanied by wind and lightning, torrential water pouring down the street as the National Meteorological Center issued a red warning for rain in the Makkah al-Mukarramah area. Saudi Arabia's press and media platforms recorded the rains in Makkah. The rainfall was concentrated in the surrounding areas and the northeastern region of Makkah al-Mukarramah, and the rains continued hitherto. Videos posted on social media by Saudi Arabia show the presence of lightning and the rapid increase of storm clouds over Makkah al-Mukarramah, alongside strong winds. According to the National Meteorological Center, the opportunity is still ripe to form rainstorm clouds accompanied by strong winds in the areas of Tabuk, Medina, Riyadh, East, and Qasim. Video shared on Instagram shows the vehicle overturning under strong winds. In another video, locals pick up items dropped from trucks. Another viral video is when a sultan is washing his pet lion.
غسيل بستر. هي كذا شيء زي كذا.